Whatever you do it every day.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice. What?
Not quite as intense as everybody else.
Oh, you're good.
I wanted to keep my back seat.
Oh yeah,
so
yes ma'am.
Load the kids.
There you go. So your name and what's in here, ma'am?
I have two Sundown ZB518s on two of the Apocalypse 7800s. One on each one.
Nice.
I have the PBR tweeters. I have some Crescendo 10s.
Okay. That looks good.
There's some work in progress as always.
Do you know the box tuning on it at all?
I'm
not sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can ask him later.
It's all right. I like this little design layout here at nighttime.
Oh yeah.
You can see
you
can see that feel of the night light LEDs. I like that. That's cool. This is a different top style, so the port's facing up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, on the back window. He's trying to save the back glass.
Yeah, the pressure comes up instead of back. Is that a 10-inch?
Yeah.
10? Okay. Awesome job. Is there a way I can see the amps behind this, or?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're hidden or anything. Oh, you don't have back doors. What vehicle is this?
It's a
Chevy Tahoe. Okay. Does it go up or?
I was trying to Let's see if you got
It's okay if you can't.
Can you peek back?
Oh, there we go. That's where your lithium is amps in the back?
No, the amps are on each side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Got it. Nice. Is there a way I can see the back open?
Yes.
Thank you for showing me. This is nice. I like the style purple to it too. Oh yeah. That looks really good. He built it all the way back. Yeah. Nice. Cool splatter layout. Yep, that's an high-speed amps. Oh yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Afloat.
If it's true, it really pay. Don't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. You feel like I'm a champion.
got your back seats. It's a family vehicle, and you got a. It's actually pretty loud though. Yeah, really good.
I love it.
At least a 50 on music or more.
Yeah.
And they have
Have
it.
it metered.
Isn't it? They're fun.